A few months ago, a business owner was overwhelmed, behind on payroll, and about to miss a major growth opportunity. Their CPA said the numbers looked solid, but the bank still said no. That's when Michael Feiger stepped in. Within 48 hours, the client had the funding they needed. Fast, flexible, and tailored to their cash flow. That's the impact of the right referral at the right time. If you're a CPA, bookkeeper, fractional CFO, tax advisor, financial planner, business consultant, or equipment seller, you already know when a client needs capital to move forward. You see the numbers, you hear their stress, and you know when it's time to act. Michael treats your clients with the same care and professionalism you do. No pressure, just honest conversations and real solutions. If you have someone in mind who needs working capital, reach out to Michael Feiger at 561-316-6218. He's ready to help them grow.